In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight areas of an image in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a fantastic technique for drawing attention to specific parts of your images during presentations, making your slides more engaging and dynamic. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. It's important to have your software up to date to ensure you have access to all the latest features, making this process as smooth as possible. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you are working on. If you haven't started a presentation yet, feel free to create a new one and add the images you want to work with. Next, locate the slide that contains the image you'd like to highlight. If it's not already there, you can easily insert an image by going to the Insert tab at the top of your screen, clicking Pictures and choosing an image from your computer. Once your slide is ready with the image, we can start with our highlighting process. Go back to the Insert tab, which is crucial because this is where we'll access various shapes to create the highlight effect. Once there, click on Shapes. You'll see a variety of shapes available to use. For the first part of our highlight trick, select a simple rectangle shape. Draw the rectangle over your entire image to cover it. This may seem counterintuitive at first, but it will make sense as we proceed. Once the rectangle is in place, you need to right-click on it to bring up more options. Select Send to Back. This will place the rectangle behind your original image, allowing you to manipulate which parts of the image remain visible. Now head back once more to the Insert tab and click Shapes again. This time choose a circle shape. This circle will serve as the actual highlight indicator, so position it over the area you wish to emphasize on your image. You can adjust its size and placement until it perfectly frames the section you want to draw attention to. With both shapes now on the slide, press the Control key and then click both the rectangle and the circle to select them together. After selecting both shapes, look up to the toolbar and find the Shape Format tab. Click on it, as this tab will provide the tools you need to combine these shapes. In the Shape Format tab, find Merge Shapes. Clicking on this will give you several options for how to blend these selected shapes. Choose Combine. This creates a cutout effect where the rectangle covers the image but leaves the circle cut out to showcase the important part. And there you have it, your area of the image is now prominently highlighted in your PowerPoint slide, allowing for a clean and professional presentation effect. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your future presentations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks.